Philip. Okay. Yes. Philip, see, cassava. Yeah. Beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. We are just doing small harvesting in our backyard garden. Based on our video we posted regarding the banana flower. Okay. The we received a comment about plantain flower. So I wanted to illustrate what I'm saying about the plantain flower. Actually, technically, plantain does not really have flower, but come closer. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So, beautiful people, as I was saying, that technically plantain does not have flower or plantain heart. As you could see, this is plantain. Okay, this is plantain. As you can see, this plantain here, this is the plantain flower. You can see there is food coming out from it. This plantain flower is not like banana flower. Okay, it's not like banana flower. This plantain flower, as you can see, is still in the process of producing food. Okay, so as you can see, the plantain flower is not like banana flower. So by the time it finish produces the food, there will be no more plantain flower. So this is another plantain. As you can see, this is another plantain. So let me show you the flower it has. Okay. In this place, you can see that the plantain has finished. The plantain has finished removing its food. Okay, you can see the flower there. There is nothing like flower that much. All right, so this is my second plantain. I'm just trying to explain why there is nothing like plantain flower. All right, I'll show you another plantain. So, beautiful people, as you can see, this is another plantain. As you can see, the plantain has finished removing food, but there's no more flower. You see why there is no plantain flower? So it is only banana that has flower. So when you hear banana flower or banana heart, it is only banana that has flower or has heart. So you can see this one is dead. So the only way, if you want to make use of plantain, the only way if you want to make use of plantain flower is to destroy the plantain before it produces, which is not the right thing. So, beautiful people, you agree with me that there's nothing like plantain flower. Okay, technically there's nothing like plantain flower. So all what I've been showing you is, this is plantain here, and that one is also a plantain somewhere there. Okay, so now this is banana flower. You can see very well, this is banana. This is a local banana. This local banana, you can see very well, that the banana has produced, and this is the flower. Okay, so this is why they said it is only banana that has flower or has heart. Thank you very much for watching. It's because of the comments regarding the banana flour, okay, which is very nutritious, very nutritious and very beneficiary for us. So if you have access to banana flour, now you know what you can do with banana flour. For those not having banana flour, you can't really use plantain flour, okay? So banana flour is very important for us, okay? So if you like this video, thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. Don't forget to share. Philip, say bye bye. Philip, say bye bye. Bye bye. Mwah.